What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix an error occurred while launching this game, and we have Steam is not having no license error which is happening for many of the users, and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into it. So the first one, just go over here to the Steam, navigate to the Steam at the top, click on this one and directly navigate to the settings. Now from here go to interface, and here we have an option called client beta participation. Change this one to Steam beta updates, or if you're having any option called Steam over here family beta, you have to change it to Steam family beta. Once you change this one, you have to close this, or change to this one, you have to close this. Then you have to go over here, exit the Steam, and you have to relaunch the Steam, and you have to check. If that is not working, just go over here. I'll be providing a link in the description to this particular file. So this is actually the latest Steam emulator. So when you click on the particular file, that will take you to a page like this, where you have to download a file which the size is around 18.5 MB. So just download this one, and once the download is successfully done, we just need to go over here, go to the downloaded file over here. So you'll be having the downloaded file, right click over here and go to extract all, and this time we need to create a where you wanted to save it. So I'm going to keep this to on desktop. I'm going to create a new folder. So let me create a new folder, and into that I'm going to extract this. So let me go for select folder and go for extract. So the extraction is going to take a little bit of time. So once you successfully extract the file, all we have to do is we just need to close this. Let me close this, and we have the folder. If you get into the folder, that will take you to this. And right now, if you're using the Steam, what we need to do is just go over here, copy this particular file called Steam API D2 and Steam API.64 D2. Copy these. You can copy this, and you have to minimize this and go to the Steam over here. And right now, right click on the Grand Theft Auto, go over here, manage, and click on browse local file. So that is going to take you to this. As you can see, the game is installed on this PC, local disk E over here. Right click and go to paste, so that it will be paste. So make sure the Steam API and Steam API.64 D2 is successfully pasted. Now we need to close this and try launching the game, and we will not be having the trouble hereafter. And this is what we have to do. And I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.